go to number 52, Theodora, Antar, and Gerald, Viglione.
What's the problem?
Please raise your right hands. Do you solemnly swear or solemnly and sincerely affirm, as the case may be, that the evidence you will give concerning this case, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so if you got a from county of perjury?
Yes.
Please state your name and address, ma'am.
Michael Landry, Support Enforcement Officer in New Haven, Connecticut. This contempt was continued from March 1st, 2017. Mr. Viglione paid $28 a week child care order and existing to the current child support order. This committee today for compliance with weekly payments. This order is $87 a week current support, and then there's $28 a week daycare order for $115 a week. And that's $578 since last court date. He paid $504.63 before today, leaving him short $73.37. He paid $315 today. If we can get that applied as a lump sum to this case.
Lump sum.
Thank you.
And there was an issue of child care arrearage. What's that?
I believe, was that addressed last time with the $28 a week order?
Is that how we did it?
Yes.
Okay. Was there a tax intercept in the meantime that would?
Yeah, it went to Christine, the other case. All of it went to her. Which was in the first.
How come that didn't split?
Your Honor, depending on if it's a state or federal return, federal returns apply towards state of Connecticut balances first. So if his other case had money owed to the state, the federal would apply to it.
All right. And okay, how much is the daycare arrearage in this case?
$71.74 as of March 30th, and he has a child support arrearage of $909.23 also as of March 30th owed to Ms. Antar. That's not taking into account the recent payment.
Wait, there's daycare still? I thought they put it on the child support.
$28 every week.
Okay.
He's running.
So prospectively it's being paid. Is there any arrears that it's accumulated that we have to address?
No, just that $71.
Okay, then we're all set. All right. Apparently you still owe $71 on that arrearage, so.
But Your Honor, it's not an arrearage, it's a current ongoing $28 a week.
No, yeah, and they said that it was going to get put onto the child support weekly thing, and she told me the same thing, and I paid her the $200 and something she said I owed her in checks for the daycare.
So what should be coming out of your paycheck as far as this case is concerned is $115, right?
Correct.
Your Honor, last time we were here, he addressed we were supposed to do income withholding so that the money would get taken out of this check. Nothing has been sent in to support enforcement. No income withholding hasn't taken place, and he currently still owes me $600 between unpaid child support and unpaid child care. That's after the $315 he just paid today. So I'm asking if we can put him in jail and have to set to pay the full amount, because I'm struggling to pay for food, daycare costs, take care of my daughter. He's held a balance for the past 10 months. He's consistently held a balance, and last time we were in court he owed $740. Today it was $811. So he's not paying the full amount. He is working. He has 2 jobs.
The income withholding in place?
We have sent it. I don't see any payments coming in as of yet.
I haven't worked in 2 weeks, that's why there's no payments coming in.
He told his employer not to fill out the income withholding, and he admitted that last time in court.
You haven't been working for the last 2 weeks. Why?
There's no work. I'm a triaxle dump truck driver, and Tilcon just started opening up to pave highways and main roads and stuff. So there's no work during the wintertime. But I have a interview on Monday for Cherry Hill. Hopefully they'll be hiring me over there instead, and that'll be year round.
Your Honor, I have pictures of pay stubs of him. He was just paid on March 24th for a job. He grossed $400. The net pay was $460. I gave them the name of the employer, Extreme Paving. He's been working 2 jobs, and he has income. No income has been withheld. He specifically tells the employers not to take anything out. He has been working, so he's not being honest about that. He has the money, but he's refusing to pay the full amount. And I told support enforcement the name and phone number of the
Mr.
employer.
Wayne, would you talk to this gentleman and see if he wants to consider being somewhat more generous today? Please. Have a seat. Mr. Warren, speak with you.
Thank you. Just take a seat, so once you release your file, we'll talk.
When I got my cover, you want to do that? We call number 82, Theodora, Antar, and Gerald, Viglione.
Good morning, I'm Terrence Whitford. My understanding with respect to this case is that the lady's total child support and daycare adds up to $980. My client paid $315, which leaves him $665.97 left. The reason he was looking for May 17th is because the job interview with Cherry Hill is on the 10th. He's not sure if he's going to get paid, start working on the 10th, and if he does, his first check won't be until the 21st. It's a 2-week hold. Or he will start on the 17th, and again, he's just trying to give him enough time and to pay off this entire arrears. The claim that the lady was saying that he worked. He did work, but that's where the monies of the $315 was paid. Am I correct, sir?
Yes.
You have no, and the only issue I have with this case is that there was no obligation or duty to establish that he's supposed to pay the child support. I see no acknowledgement, or this is just a visitation file. Well, I think there's an issue with that. But if the court gives him until May 17th, he'll pay his weeklies and pay off the $665.97. He's also requesting copies of the daycare. He's never received it. The lady just has told him this is what is due, and he pays it.
Where is the child support been established in this case?
There is a June 9th, 2016 order, looks like signed by Judge Emmons,
Just the order to pay.
sole physical
Yeah, but there was
legal
never,
custody of plaintiff, and then $87 a week child support.
sounds like a court order. All right. So he owes $665, and he's supposed to pay $115 per week. He didn't pay the last 2 weeks, right? Because he wasn't working?
Paid the 28th, which was $300.
Okay. All right. We're going to continue this to May 17th. You're going to be current with your $115 a week obligation, and you're going to bring a lump sum of $665.
Can the lady also provide him proof of the daycare from now on?
Provided.
I have provided with him in the daycare as well, requested his email to send him bills. He refused to send them his email address, so he can speak directly to the daycare regarding that.
Well, what you will,
Well, Your Honor, there's already an existing $28 a week child care order to be
Right.
paid.
So what's the
I don't
point?
see the point.
The only bill
that's
that
the
I...
arrears. You're not going to interject here when you have a lawyer, right?
No, I'm sorry.
Because you're not doing so bad.
So still, if he's allowed to contact the daycare directly, that's no objection. Well, he'll do that.
I showed him, I sent him actually certified
Madam,
letters.
he has to be notified correctly.
I did.
Now, you can get a copy of what's owed and send it to him, or send it to Mr. Wynn's office.
Yes, I did. I sent him multiple certified letters stating every week of me paying $83 a week, and
Green
he's seen
card?
those letters.
That was in her own handwriting.
I think we're making more of this than it has to be. You're going to be here with $665 next time, and his child support, the child care is
Weekly.
paid weekly anyway. All right, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank the court.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.